All right, I am definitely live, and I did not slide into afternoon from morning, but I am here. But it was all good because I was talking to one of my friends and team members, and it was so good to talk to her. She's going through chemo, and it's always a delight to be able to talk to her and visit with her. So that's a good reason to be just a minute or two late, right? So today we are going to do a little bit of a twist. Many a times you'll see where I'll take a card or something and I make it into a 3D project. Well, today I'm taking some different ideas from 3D projects and we're going to make cards. So it's just simple, but it's going to be a little different of a twist. And we're still focusing on Halloween because I still have about 11 Halloween cards to go. But keep in mind, there are people that have birthdays in October who love Halloween. So I make that Halloween card into a birthday card. All right, so let's go down the hands and let's get going with this, right? I don't know. I'm not. You know what? She's. Huh. Can you hear me now?
No input. See.
I don't know.
We're
All right.
clever,
Well, I don't know. You might contact our techie. So the thing came on just briefly there.
Wait, is she at work?
No.
Oh,
Yeah. Don't worry. Everything you're saying is being like said on here. So just FYI. This view has sound. Okay, you have sound now. She says she has sound now, but the thing is, I don't see the bars moving, you know, to show. Okay. Don't worry, we got this view has a sound. Okay, so when I go, so could you have sound now? So I think what she's telling me is I'm not sure if it's with my face or without the face. Let's see here. Okay, we're good now, it looks like. Okay. I don't know. This is why I desperately need my techie. Because I don't know what's going on or what happened. Maybe she can come before she's leaving out of town. My techie's leaving out of town for a week. I'm not even sure if I'll survive, but I know I will. The sun will still come up. Yes, if you want to give my techie an alert, John, I would deeply appreciate that. That way she can, before she goes out of town, see what's going on. Because I don't know. Okay, she can hear it now, so, but I still can't see it, which is sort of a weird thing. Alright, and I'm just going to do this to the just a little tilt, because I can, right? And really and truly, that is all you really need, but if you wanted to add more, I don't think those are going to go too well. I mean, these are all glow in the dark, right? So at nighttime, you give this person the card and they put it down, you know, they're going to get some of this glow in the dark stuff. And it really glows. I mean, it's like if you've seen some of the things I've did before, you put a flash, just take your phone light and sit up there and add a little to it there. Just put the flashlight on it and then turn the lights off and that thing will be glowing. So we'll just go ahead and do this. Okay, I'm not sure about the sound. I am, do not know. But hey, it's sort of been that kind of week, right? Actually, it's sort of been like that, more like about the last 3 weeks. It's okay, we don't control it all. Yeah, I got glue just coming out of here like there's no tomorrow. Okay, must be a fairly new bottle. Because otherwise, I'd have to be like squeezing really hard. Okay, so you'll have some glow in the dark with that. And that's just how easy it is to make. So, this is just, you know what? This is just using the paper. Didn't do anything else other than all 3 of these were taken from one 12 by 12 sheet that had these individually in here that you could cut off, and you didn't have to design it yourself. This one here, we sat there and distressed the sides, first with my paper cutter accidentally, and just went with the flow and did the rest with the scissors. This one here, all we added the cat. Again, we made it look like silhouette, and we just added a few bats, and we put up on dimensionals. And then this one here, same thing. We just add this right here. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let's see. We'll go back to the face here. So hopefully you enjoyed that. And Bertner, if you could let us know, if you can hear now, that'd be great. If not, Techie's giving me instructions. But, right, because sometimes we've had this happen before too. The mic on my face view works, but the mic on my hands haven't. So sort of for us, if whatever you can let us know, we'll figure and get her. She's gonna have to figure it out before she leaves out of town, because I still sit up there and have more lives to do just because she goes out of town. That doesn't stop, right? So I hope you enjoyed today, because it was about showing you how you can use that paper to make some simple cards, especially if, like me, I need to get at least 11 more done, right? And then I got Thanksgiving cards. So there you go. So with that, be blessed. Have a great weekend. And if we would love it if you would follow us here, not only here on Facebook, on YouTube as well too. So be blessed. Go out there, create, share, and give, and make a difference in someone's life. Look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.